what I said. I said, dude, who do you think you are? And he's like, we just in the way. I'm like, dude, you're being a little punk. You're being a little bitch about it, dude. It's like, we're at the attitude. It's like, we're 50 feet away from the landing. Like, did you do it? No. Then what the hell are you saying shit for? You little shit.